Well, hello there, my friends. Welcome back to NFT Revolution. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be talking about a really fascinating project, and that is going to be Rhinox NFT, spelled Rhino X, but I will have links in the description as well. Now, this one is a lot of fun, one that I was very excited to talk to you about today, and I'm also going to turn down my volume as I speak at the moment. Apologies if it was a little too loud in the intro. So what is Rhinox? Rhinox is derived from rhinos, with renowned artists utilizing and matching a unique algorithm and original art, creating 10,000 Rhinox NFTs that are different and highly distinguishable. Rhinox is separated into categories throughout different accessories, facial features, and backgrounds with varying rarities. In addition to its artistic and GameFi value, Rhinox will also have a strong use value, in the Web3 space. Now, I will go ahead and tell you real quick, we're going to take a pause here. Please keep in mind, of course, this is not financial advice. I am in no way a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to discuss this kind of thing. So with that being said, we are going to jump back into it, but today is actually going to focus a lot on the white paper. I'm going to really make this a little quicker on the website than I usually do, and we're going to get over to that, just to give you a little idea. So, it is a credit system. As Rhinox Soulbound token, which we'll talk more about, progress through various levels of on-chain activity, their credit score will also increase in tandem, allowing holders to reap the rights and benefits that come with it, which is awesome. Our ambitions for Rhinox do not stop here. Fast forward into the future, we plan to expand its business scope and support and integrate Rhinox Soul Passes on mainstream publics such as Ethereum and Solana. About Rhinox being a BNB chain and GameFi Soulbound token, Rhinox represents the identity of core players and architectures in the DeFi, GameFi, and Web3 space. Rhinox is firmly anchored in the spirit of Web3 principles and introduces a brand new credit score for holders. Rhinox holders will be able to use it as avatars on different GameFi, which is another really exciting part for it. This is just discussing the auction, which has already actually happened. So, you know, they are getting out there, they're really doing the work there, and then this is the gallery, sort of just repeating the same thing, but kind of giving you an idea of what it looks like, discussing what Rhinox can do in a few steps. It's developed an industry-first advanced algorithm that addresses the provision of unsecured credit loan to holders in Web3. This algorithm can provide unsecured loans based on-chain data and the holder's historical behavior. Rhinox will cooperate with other DeFi projects to establish a Web3 industry alliance, which is the smartest thing any business can do, is to make business friends. The membership rights of Rhinox NFT holders in the alliance will be recognized by all parties. Therefore, Rhinox will provide airdrop NFTs, whitelist slots, and premium benefits for holders from time to time, and Rhinox holders will receive all rights to their NFTs. Rhinox will build a communication platform between businesses and NFT holders for commercial, co-branding, advertising, and other types of promotion. Rhinox will also be a platform for communication between merchants and NFT holders, where you can communicate about the use of copyright, whether you're a merchant or an individual. Then we've got a little bit going on with their, if you'd like to click in and kind of check out what's going on with their roadmap in the project, definitely recommend that. I don't want to focus too much on that today. I'm going to show you across some of their different social media. I was actually just going through, checking out their About page as well, which is really cool. Again, they've got a lot of cool art, by the way, and great contests for fans, you know, art contests, challenges, that kind of thing. So definitely recommend coming to check it out with over 14,000 members over here. This is their Medium. It's a little bit new over here, not much content yet. However, I'm sure they'll be posting a lot more as things get a little bit busier with you know, what's going on the project, to kind of let you know what's going on. And we've got 17.5K over on Twitter, and they're doing really well with engagement, you can see here. And yeah, people are very excited because, again, lots of giveaways. And what I thought was so cool, by the way, I do want to mention this while I'm still here. Rhinox, we are hiring. I love that. And, you know, I talk to you guys all the time about the fact that you can actually apply for one of these companies, a lot of these companies, and actually book a job. That's something that people don't really understand, that, like, might be a fan of NFTs, or, you know, might have a job they don't love or have passion for. If you want to try, go ahead and try. I'm so supportive of people trying out new things like that, and just always love to throw that out there. This is actually where the auction held place, just on the page. I'm sure they'll be using it for other things, so I kind of wanted to show you how their auction looked so you could see how legitimate it looks to buy things. excuse me, the Rhinox NFT's Binance NFT. So basically just discussing things that we're already going to discuss kind of gives you a little bit of an idea. For someone who might not be on Rhinox's website, I just kind of wanted to show you that they're of course based over at Binance NFT as well, as they said, but of course you always want to see proof. Now for the rest of this video, we're going to be discussing their white paper, so I can go through a couple of the things that I wanted to touch on in this. So it is a culmination of the combined effort of renowned artists with the creation of 10,000 NFTs from the amalgamation of arts and algorithms, excuse me. Beyond that, the team is building a unique digital environment based on the credit rating system. Basically, this discusses all the same stuff, so I'm actually going to skip this intro. Gives you a little bit of the origin of the platform, kind of where they got to, or how they got to where they are, the vision, as you know, we kind of touched on a lot of that as well, what they want to talk, you know, where they want to go, what they want to do with the project, and then the rationale, which I love. They have a rationale area, basically kind of being like, hey, and here's you know, our origins, here's what we're doing, and here's why you should invest in our project. I think that's extremely intelligent, so just definitely wanted to call that out as a huge positive. In honesty, I thought that was amazing. Now, the key features, in addition to its artistic GameFi value, Rhinox will serve as the first Soulbound token on BNB chain. Unlike usual NFTs that can only be traded on the open market, Rhinox NFTs will act as a soul that stores immutable data such as action logs, owner credibility, and social status. Like a CV, Soulbound tokens can help build a user's digital reputation in Web3, which that's actually pretty cool. To kind of build up your digital reputation like that, I think that's a really fascinating concept. I think, you know, it wouldn't work for a lot of different companies, but this is one of those where I can absolutely see what they mean by that, and I see ahead to where they are hoping to get with this one. So a Soulbound is formed when the owner possesses a unit of Rhinox NFT, and it's encoded to the NFT itself. While putting this NFT into given available applications, the soul will work as a system that takes the actions into account and assigns the NFT with hidden credit score. For instance, if a verified Rhinox NFT holder has actively participated in many campaigns that support the development of the project or any other partner's project, the soul will achieve higher credibility and lead the advantage of enjoying exclusive perks and benefits. The popularity outline mechanics that Soulbound token should be non-transferable. However, in this case, given that an up-to-standard soul will be qualified to access exclusive experiences, the price of the NFT will increase accordingly. In simple terms, Rhinox allows an individual to show integrity, trustability, and credibility, further expanding the practical utilization of NFTs and opening up multiple applications built upon a framework based on reputation and provenance that will be covered in later sections. And of course, I'm not going to sadly be able to read over specifically everything, but I just wanted to really touch on what the project means, what the, you know, which I've gotten to do, what's the unique thing. The credit rating system, I'll tell you a little bit more about. The Soulbound token, which we discussed. Now we can see the credit rating system is encoded with self-developed on-chain behavioral analysis model. It allows Rhinox to conduct behavior analysis and generate credit ratings, which we just discussed. This is how the credit rating will look. So length of credit history, credit mix, total gas fees spent, use type of smart contracts, debt asset ratio, trading volume, and total asset, which I love. They have a set specific thing that will make up your credit score, as opposed to just a magical number that you're wondering, you know, what the deal is with that. So just thought I would throw that one out there as well. That was really cool for me. And basically giving you a breakdown. So I think that you know what most of these mean, so I'm not going to go through that because these are all very, very straightforward. The multidimensional behavior analysis model, the key point history events performed by the address will be disclosed and counted as a factor that affects the system's judgment, making a multidimensional analysis model. This cohesive approach will improve the accuracy of the analyzer and, as a result, lead to better conclusion of an individual's reliability. Following is the breakdown of considered dimensions during the analysis process, which again we really just went through: trading history, on-chain behavior, project preferences, asset portfolio, liability status, attending campaigns and events, airdrop history, and more to come. And credit rating system is not the complete form of the capability of this analysis model, although it plays an important role. We want to break the practical usage of this model into two categories to explain the idea better. Now, We've got the credit tier, basically discussing the credits, so exclusive airdrops, closed beta, just kind of things that you would, and basically to kind of give the short of it, right? Imagine having a diamond tier credit card. One could enjoy exclusive access to experiences for the year's most anticipated concerts, events, dining experiences, all that kind of stuff, all because the card owner is a qualified individual. Rhinox works similarly, backed by the credit scoring system. Rhinox owners will be categorized into different tiers, and each tier has various benefits. Such benefits including exclusive airdrops, closed beta, discount on processing fees, and unsecured loan, which the unsecured loan one is really unique right there. Doesn't require any type of collateral if you have a really good rating, which I think that's awesome. That is a super smart idea and very, very cool, very unique. And, under that, they're going to be doing a lot of drops. The DAO, which is the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or for a shorter term, the self-governing body of the project run by those who invest in it. Miscellaneous applications, so there are no specific limitations to what Rhinox can be utilized as a Soulbound token. Therefore, they're going to have other cases could emerge, such as offering offline experiences like access to airport VIP lounge, free tickets, target identity, just stuff like that. Things that are fun and things that are great. The social aspect of it, the behavioral analysis model of Rhino Soulbound token forms the sociality foundation of our project. Rhinox will work as a medium for people on Web 3.0 to connect and interact with each other while understanding the background of the person they are interacting with. So you'll have your social identity, which comes with your name card, and then the achievement system as well, the social networking platform that they are working on as well, the partnership programs also, which I think is really cool that they're going with partnership programs. They want to make sure everyone benefits from this, and just concluding with the fact that they want to really develop this to be a socially aspected NFT, sociality first, which I love. Then it just goes into the roadmap, the Rhinox Club, things like that, which I totally recommend checking out. I don't want to keep this video too long for you, but my friends, Rhinox is a great project. Come back and check out more of the white paper if you are interested in investing yourself. But as always, my friends, thank you very much for coming by NFT Revolution. My name is Freddie Colton, and I will see you in the next episode.